Hello there. I will show you how I make an appetizer using a 1-ounce packet of Mexican taco spices to spice up button mushrooms that will be fried until they are crispy and golden brown. I start by pouring half of the spice packet into a mixing bowl. I then add a cup of milk. I then cut in half each of the button mushrooms and trim the bottom of the stems. I try to maintain the same size pieces. Any slightly larger caps will be cut into thirds. Once all of the caps are cut, I cover the mushrooms with plastic wrap and let them marinate for at least an hour. Now in a second mixing bowl, I add the other half of the spice packet. I will then add about a cup of all-purpose flour. These will be combined as my dredging ingredients. Now to the vegetable oil that is heating on the stovetop in a heavy cast iron saucepan. I want the temperature of the oil to reach 375 degrees Fahrenheit. That will be best for frying the mushrooms until they are golden brown. The mushrooms are then added one by one to the dredging flour. I will toss them to ensure they are coated well. Now gently, I will place them into the hot oil. I can see that this oil is just as it should be. You want to keep an eye on this, as if you add too many mushroom pieces, the temperature will drop and the mushrooms will be soggy. I take my strainer ladle and turn the frying mushrooms to ensure they are all cooking evenly. The bubbles in the frying oil are from the moisture in the mushrooms. The oil is just right and not spattering all over the counter. I love this cast iron pan as it maintains an even temperature. And these button mushrooms are perfect in my recipe. I can see that they are browning very well. Wow! These are ready to come out of the hot oil. I will place them on some paper towels to drain. I have some carrot and celery sticks to accompany the fried mushrooms. And I have some ranch dressing for dipping the sticks and crunchy mushrooms. Well, thanks for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.